Some breaking news coming in. Another speculation on Rajnikant's political entry coming to light after an alleged draft statement of superstar quoting about his health is leaked. The draft statement states that Rajni was planning to launch his party on the 2nd of October in Madurai, but delayed due to the pandemic. Decision likely in December. Here's a draft notification that's come about speculating that Rajnikant is soon to launch his political party. Akshaya now joining us live for more details. Akshaya, here's finally some word. There was so far no announcement, but here we understand that this draft statement of the superstar comes to fore, quoting that he was all set to launch his political party on October 2nd itself in Madurai, but due to the pandemic has been delayed. Decision likely in December. Do confirm this for us.
Well, Nabila, this is a source-based information. We've seen that there has been a draft statement which has been leaked, and it states that, the superstar was of the plan to release his party flag, party name, and also start his political party in October 2nd in Madurai. But unfortunately, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, things have not gone as per plan. He was planning to go around the state as a state tour in May and June, states the draft read of the statement, and it also cited that now, like, the superstar's health is a little not okay, and even in his schedule for Anathe, the movie that he's working on, there has been a little bit of a delay because of his health. So he stated in his letter that he's worried that if he is to have a proper public meeting across the state, then he fears that it might also lead to the rise in the pandemic, because people might gather in large numbers, and that is not good. So he is currently thinking about revisiting his plans about starting his political party in December. So at this point of time, we're being told that the letter which has come out is a draft that the superstar was planning to release, and he is most likely to send a proper statement to the public in a day or two, is what we're getting to know, Nabila, at this point of time.
Akshaya, thank you very much for joining us, but do stay with us. We have more information, news coming in from Tamil Nadu.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.